around the glottis, which is this hole right here. So the laryngeal prominence are right here.
And what's the glottis?
Glottis is right here.
But what is it?
It's the flap that closes down the trachea.
It's actually the hole.
Or the hole.
It's the opening to the airway.
Okay, so then same thing for your ear, and then
So
you
that's
got
going
your
down
trachea,
to the
which is right here
lungs.
on the outside, and you got your esophagus on the inside.
Choanae, they are the inner nostrils, so
Esophagus.
they're right in there.
Top of this whole big structure right
Relate
here.
to the
If you have
nares.
gloves on, you can feel how many seeds are in there.
Eustachian
so this is the
tubes and
esophagus.
tympanum and stapes.
Next to that is
you
the
couldn't really
trachea.
see.
The trachea continues down right below, like so, like if you go right into the heart.
They're like
right
somewhere up in
underneath
the
it,
palatine.
The trachea
Yeah,
breaks into two and then goes
But
into.
all three of those you
Yeah,
can't really see in our birds. Bird.
And then
The pericardial
it
cavity
bifurcates into two
is
bronchi.
surrounds the heart.
Each
Right
bronchi.
over
Oh,
here. Pleural
their
cavities
syrinx is like your
surrounds the
larynx, and
lungs,
that's like,
which
so if
would
this
be
is your
back
trachea,
here.
and then it breaks the part where
And then
it
the
breaks is your
peritoneal
syrinx.
cavity surrounds
And
the
then
abdominal
their
viscera,
syrinx.
so everything down here.
Yeah.
The
And then
trachea
it goes into your lungs, which is in your pleural
is
cavity.
right here, and it goes down
Sorry,
down
can you see it? It's right
there.
And then
And
this
it
is your
continues
liver.
right
Oh,
here.
there's two livers.
The trachea
I
goes
realize
right
you guys
there.
aren't pigeons, but this just
The bronchi is where the trachea separates, so you kind of have to pull it back. And then you see how it separates into two right here. There's a bronchi, and there's a bronchi.
In this little membrane area.
Yeah,
right here,
it's a Y.
bitty coffee
And then the point where they separate, that middle part right here, is called the syrinx.
right here.
So it'll be right
And it
here.
comes down to the esophagus, goes underneath the heart,
The
and then it
lungs
comes here, and this is your
are where the
stomach
bronchi
right
separate to.
here. The stomach
And
then
so the
goes
lungs
into
are
the
right
gizzard.
here.
The gizzard is
And they have
really
air
hard.
sacs in them, and the air sacs
gizzard
are little pores,
then goes
like
to
these.
duodenum,
If you can
which is,
see really closely, like little pores
the
in
large
the
part of the
lungs.
small intestine. And then this
The
is your
esophagus
pancreas. The pancreas you can see from the top
runs
and the bottom.
down here, and then this is the esophagus right here.
What was that?
The esophagus.
Or sorry, small intestine.
Esophagus
Small intestine,
starts
a lot of
up.
it.
Does it go right here?
And comes down, and then you got
Starts
your
here.
large intestine, which is right here.
And then runs down, and then it leads to the gizzard, which is right here.
So that's the
little
proventriculus,
balloons
that
or your
thing right there.
coloaceca.
Yeah, the stomach.
Okay. It's called coloaceca. Coloaceca, thank you.
Heart
Your
is right
coloaceca
here.
goes, and then imagine if there's like a little hole right here. I can't open, but imagine
Oh,
there's like a hole
okay,
right
so
here.
the heart's
Your
right here. The
cloaca.
crop
If you
is
open
this
up
little
this
flap.
area,
It was
you
right
can
here, but
see
we cut it. So if it
this
was like
spot right
this,
here
it
is
would
really
connect
hard.
right
My
there.
pointer is,
And then
that's
there's a
your
hole that
bursa
leads to the
of
esophagus. That's the crop.
Fabricius.
The
Over here
gizzard.
against the wall. The liver.
So this,
Sorry, guys.
the esophagus leads to the gizzard, which is right
And you
here.
can see against the
Duodenum
wall, there's these
connects
three
to the gizzard.
things.
So
On
this
the
is
inside
the
of the wall, those are your
duodenum
kidneys. The lobes of the kidneys.
here.
You can see
Big part.
this part
And
right
the
here,
pancreas
which comes up. This
runs
is your
in between
ovary.
the small intestines.
oviduct.
So this is the pancreas. And it's
got a
also on the other
ladybird.
side
And
as well.
then inside the wall of the membrane is your ureter.
The small intestines is all of this.
I think I'm done.
Where's the ureter?
The ureter is this one. right
The
here.
liver
It's in the mesentery still.
is
Underneath.
liver. Where did we say?
Oh, the
liver?
liver?
we
No,
we
it's
took
right
the
here.
liver
Tell
off,
me where
It usually is like right up here.
but it's a dark, big dark
What
so
is that?
on it, so it's pretty easy to see.
You see what I'm talking about?
The spleen
Don't tell us.
is right
You
here.
didn't tell us what that was.
Where's the pancreas?
Coffee maker kind of thing. Large intestines
You can see it from
So
is right here.
No, it goes
This
in
is
between. So
the only part of the large intestines.
This part is
The
your
cloaca
small
is the
intestine, this part
opening,
your pancreas.
which is
You
right
can
here.
See how it like is different.
The coloaceca are these two little flower petal extensions
decided
from
we have a
the
ladybird.
large intestines. The metanephric kidneys are these, they're like a sequence of kidneys.
there's this,
There's
but
three
she
of them
pointed
on
out to me.
each side.
But I don't know
So if
what
you can
that is.
see 1, 2, 3, they're like
Yeah.
little bulbs. The ureter connects to the kidnees,
Not really.
so that would be the
Yeah.
this
might be
right
your
there.
ovary?
I would expect it to be smaller, but I don't know.
Ureter.
Like in there.
Testes,
Thanks, man.
Sure
we
could be.
think are
Yeah,
these.
Does
Yeah,
seem
those are the, they
small.
look like little grains of rice.
Yeah, so these are the testes, so this is a male pigeon. The ovaries, they usually run on one side, so if you look at that bird, it only runs on
Shape right there.
They look like
I don't know what it does.
the left side.
Wait, just that thing you're pointing on.
And the bursa of fabricus is right here,
Here.
like behind the large.
behind the large intestines. It's really hard,
Above that you have the
and that's all of them.
Coelom.